Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to unbox the Honor Band 4. So let's quickly get started. But before we do that, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for all the updates. Our Honor Band 4 comes with an AMOLED touchscreen display, and for the price, the screen is really beautiful. Now you get heart rate monitoring system, sleep monitoring and swim stroke recognition. Now this is something really interesting that we will test for the full review. Now the Honor Band 4 that I got was with the black strap. On the box, the maximum retail price printed is $2,999. However, you can get it much cheaper on Amazon. So at the back we have the features once again. That's the AMOLED large screen display, the heart rate monitoring system, the sleep monitoring system that we will certainly test, water resistant up to 50 meters, that's great, multi-sport function, we will test that as well. You have smart notification for calls, messages and smart alarm, that's wonderful. And finally, Honor claims to get you 14 days of battery life with normal use. Now that's going to be really impressive if we get that kind of usage here. So we'll certainly test that, and before doing that we will quickly go ahead and open the box. Alright, so let's quickly open the box. Alright, there you go. So what do we have here? That's the warranty card and the quick start guide. We'll keep this aside. And let's check the band first. So this is the Honor Band 4. That's beautiful. And I like the traditional strap here instead of the ones that we see on the Mi Band and the other band. So let's keep that aside for now. What do we have here? This seems to be the proprietary dock to charge the fitness band. And yes, it is. Alright, that's great. You have the pin there. And that's the micro USB port. Cool, that's all right. And then you get a charging cable. So I guess that's about it in the box. We'll keep everything aside and let's check the tracker here. Boom. So guys, thank you very much for watching the unboxing video. If it was good, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and press the bell icon for all the future updates. So stay tuned for the full review of the Honor Band 4. Till then, take care. Tada.